Scientists, and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video I'll try to show you one of the trick how you can actually increase the loudspeaker volume in the Mi11X device. As you can see friends right now, so there is actually a special trick how you can actually increase the volume friends. So right now I'll be playing the audio without using any kind of trick, and now I'll play the audio with using the trick. As you can see friends, so there is a lot of difference by using this trick, and recently I did plenty of loudspeaker comparison with other smartphones, but I did not use this kind of trick any time in the comparison friends. So one of the subscriber did mention that try using this kind of trick and it will be very much helpful in terms of increasing the volume, and thanks to the subscriber. And right now I'll be doing that kind of trick in this right now in the Mi11X device, and in terms of increasing the volume and testing the volume as well, how it is and how to do that. And if possible I'll try to do the again loudspeaker comparison with OnePlus Nord, so which is a recently arrived mobile phone in my studio. I'll try to do the comparison as well, so then we can understand exact potential of this Mi11X device, so which I did underestimate in the beginning, so that's my mistake. So right now I'll try to go through the step-by-step tutorial how you can actually increase the volume in the Mi11X device while listening to the music. So in case if you're enjoying this kind of content, different unique content in my channel, so make sure to hit that subscribe and do support me friends. So let me quickly show you, and this kind of trick will be applicable to any application whatever you install in this Mi11X device. For example, if you want to increase the volume in the YouTube or Amazon Prime or Netflix, you can even do that in this phone right now. So first you need to go to the settings and go to the special features. So in the special feature, which is an option called the video toolbox, as you can see friends. So in the video toolbox, try to add the application about the music player what you want to use. So right now I want to use this music LED. As you can see, this is a normal music player which I'm trying to use. As you can see, I'll explain you friends why you are doing why it's necessary to add in the video toolbox. So I'll try to show you. So let me open the video toolbox. So this is a music application, sorry. So this is a music application. So once you add this application in the video toolbox, so whenever you open this music application, you do get this kind of small toolbar, as you can see friends. So this is where all the magic happens right now. So as soon as you get this video toolbar, so you can see a sound option, as you can see friends. So whenever you see this sound option, try to increase the volume, clarity and the volume level to the maximum, as you can see. So in this way you can actually boost the volume out of this phone a lot. So there is a lot of improvement. So let me try to use only 00 all the values, and then let me try to play the audio file with the full volume, so you can actually feel the difference. So by using this kind of trick, the volume will be definitely increased friends in your smartphone. So next time I'll try to definitely do the loudspeaker test by using this kind of options. So only then we'll be able to know the potential of this loudspeaker. So definitely I did underestimate the loudspeaker in this phone, so which is definitely good. So if you use this kind of trick, it's really worth trying friends, because in my experience this is the most like next level improvement in terms of the audio quality in this phone. That is what I felt. So there's another few more options where you can change. If you go to the settings and go to the sound effects, so there's an option which is called the Dolby Atmos. So if you try to enable this option as well, you will get the very good loud voice and good music as well. So make sure to hit that like friends in case this kind of trick works for you. And thank you for watching this video till end, and make sure to subscribe and don't forget to follow me regularly friends in keeping you posted with this Mi11X phone updating as well. So I'll try to make plenty of videos on this phone in the next couple of days. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.